I picked up this sign from Michael's. It was on their clearance, their Easter clearance, for about $2 or $3. And I'm going to start by covering it with Wise Owl primer in white. And once that dried, I put on Wise Owl Snow Owl, which is their white, and allowed the both to dry. Once dry, I have this stencil that I got from Studio R12. I'll put a link underneath the video. And I'm using a roller in black. And the key with stenciling is you want very little paint and you don't want to push down. That's what pushes the paint underneath, is the pushing. So you want your roller to be dry. I kind of load it and then unload it until it's dry so that it's, kind of a perfect mixture to do my stencil. And once the top part was dry, I moved it down and did the lower part. And then I'm going to put that aside. Allow that to dry. So I got this mat at the Dollar Tree. I'm sure you've all seen them and everybody sees little crafts with them. And I'm going to do my version. And I started by cutting it out around the line where it has the flower. It was almost a perfect size. I probably had to go in just a little bit. And this says, always stay humble and kind. And I just love the blue with the black. It was a nice change. And I started by just hot gluing the mat down to the board. And then I took this 9-inch embroidery hoop and glued that around the cut edge. I grabbed this lamb's ear from Walmart and I wrapped the two ends using some floral wire and then glued it to the bottom of my wooden hoop using hot glue, or you can use E6000. I found those cotton balls at Hobby Lobby. They were cheap. They were like 75 cents a few weeks ago, but now they have them on the shelves in the fall section, and they're still not that expensive. I want to say maybe $2.99. Don't quote me, but they are there. They're just the heads of them. And then I just glued them down, 3 in a cluster. And I did see some gaps, so I took the cotton out of one of them and just put pieces of cotton in the random gaps that I had. Just like that. And now you have this cute, always stay humble and kind sign. I hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. And for any paint products, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you.